Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I bought all this from the Japan secondhand shop. They are having a sale. Tomica for just 5 ringgit, which is €1 or 160 Australian, but they are pretty bad shape. But I can do that because I have already removed them from the base and ready to go to the paint shop. I shall paint this, all of this. I haven't decided what color. Most probably I will paint them back the original color, which means will be white. We even have a Majorette Honda Prelude, which I have already removed. This will be red. This one pink, a Toyota Crown that is pink. I have no idea what color I will paint it. Definitely not pink. Nissan Juke, also unrivet. Toyota Crown Majesta, which I have already removed the interior and the plastic window. So I think this and the bus would be my first project. What color shall I paint this? Or I have to go and buy more colors of paint. Okay, then this is a Prius. See, it has this integrated because it's no longer riveted, but I can easily put it back. There's this little piece here which if I'm not careful will go missing. Okay, unrivet already. It's a Toyota Prius from the late 90s with opening hood. Toyota Mark X, which I have removed. What color shall I paint this? I think I'll paint it white again or silver. This will be more difficult because it has a lot of colors: white, black and orange. It's a Suzuki Hustler, but will do. What I do is I paint it, then for the black part I go over with black marker pen. For the white roof, maybe I will not do it. It will be the same color as the body. Even the Subaru Samba, this is a K truck, already removed the base, ready for paint. Look at how worn it is. Then there's this tool which does not need any painting because it's quite nice, but it's still in the discount bin because nobody likes all this funny looking electric car. It's a Mitsubishi. You can see the logo. Mitsubishi IEV. It's the same casting but with some difference. Look at the front. This is silver, this is black. The same goes for the hatch. The color of the hatch is different and the base is different. So thank you for watching. In my next video, I shall show you what have I done with all this. So it will not be the immediate next video, it will be a few videos later. Maybe I'll try to do it within a few days. First to paint is this and that bass, and that Majorette prelude should be easy, just spray it with red paint. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.